Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Dito ako sa gitna ng daan. Kasi para dito pantay-pantay ang dadaanan. Today is Friday. Whole day out. Friday. Thirteenth of September. Nagbilang pa eh. Tanda ko kasi yung 10. Yung Tuesday. So, ayun. Kailangan may tandaan para ma-recall kung anong para pag bilang mo ayun lang everyone kasi niya ang daan di ba nasa kalsada ako kasi para pantay kasi ang dito kaya hindi ka madadapa. Yun lang everyone, today is Friday, whole day ako out and thank God it's Friday today. Yan. And everyone 5 degrees I think today. So, malamig as in malamig. Kaya para akong naka-astronaut na naman ako. It's like an astronaut yung ganun. Pero yung malamig pa rin sa tenga yung ganyan. Yan lang everyone. Pero hindi na ngayon pagi. Sabi ng iba, yung kasama ko sa work, nag-yelo. Umulan daw ng yelo kahapon. Yung maliliit. Pero wala naman ako nakita. So, pero sa kanila, yung mga may backyard. Kasi kami, yun yung time ng tulog ko. Kaya nung magising ako, ba't ganun ang lamig as in? Yung pala yun. Umulan pala ng ganun. Ayun lang. Ang chika ko sa inyo. Ngayong umagang ito. God bless everyone. Happy day sa Pilipinas dahil tanghalian na doon. Happy tummy everyone. Yun. And dito is mag-umpisa pa lang kami ng araw ng Friday. See you again after 1 hour walk and 1 bus. Bye at the moment. Yan, good morning everyone. After 3 hours of my work, andito ako sa Notting Hill. Ayan may underground dito, public subway, Central Line, pero it's supposed to be I'm going to Hanwell. Today is Friday, so I didn't come. I cannot do it because my what do you call that, my Freedom Pass is not on my bag. It's not in my bag, so I tried to go home and use the bank card for my travel to go back in the house, so that it's diversion. 52 is not go down there, so it's going in the Ladbroke. So that is my problem now. I'm gonna look and find wherever my Freedom Pass is. Oh my God. And this morning there's an accident happened to me. I forgot my iPhone in the toilet, disabled toilet, and when I'm go down, I'm already going out at the lift. Yeah, I'm already in the first floor, and then I realized that my phone is not in my pocket. So Oh my god, I'm quick to go back there, and oh my gosh, I'm lucky that my phone is still there. Thank you, Lord. Oh my Jesus. That's the, if I'm doing rush, uh, maraming nakakalimutan. Yeah, and that's it at the moment. There's a problem on the road. That's why I don't want to use this bus for going home. But I can't do it today because of I can't find my bus pass in my bag. That's it. I'm gonna go home and find it there where it is. Maybe on the other bag or whatever. Or oh my Jesus. Taking the bus is traffic. Cost of traffic. That's why. Okay, everyone. See you again after this journey. Ayan, everyone. Umuwi ako kasi hanapin ko muna yung aking Freedom Pass. At sayang, ang pangbayad ng train ay mahal. Diba? Kaya I called Tina na change na lang, instead of today, Monday na lang ako papasok. Monday na lang ako pupunta sa kanya. So she said, it's okay. Dahil walang choice. Sayang ang kung babayaran niya yung aking ticket. Yung pang Elizabeth line. I did good. Pero sayang. Hanapin ko muna. At mamaya naman magte-train pa rin ako. Ayan na ako, everyone. Yan, nag-across the road ako. Dito na ako. See you again later. Magluto na lang ko ng pangtanghalian ko. At para maaga ang aking siesta. Yan lang, everyone. Oh, mainit pero malamig. May araw. Pero malamig. Ayan, ang mga halaman nagagandahan. Buhay na buhay kasi may araw. O diba, everyone, magkakalkal pa ako ng bag para sa susi. But at the moment, ako ng itlog at magluto ako maglaga rin ako ng pansit canton. Isa lang po ang kakainin ko and then magto-toast bread ako. Yan lang, everyone, for lunch, and see you later, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. It's already, what's the time? 3:35, everyone. Papasok pero wala sa mood kasi nga hindi ko nakita yung oyster ko. Freedom Pass. Magtatap up tuloy ako ng isang linggo kasi nag-report ko ng na-lost, and then next week 5 working days daw dadalhin. 5 working days dadating yung kapalit. Ayan lang, everyone.